Hello, I am just stepping in after my Zumba dance. I just went and had a wonderful training session with Davo Garcia. And when I came back home, I found out that my delivery was waiting for me. I got finally my supplements that I ordered, and I'm really excited. Even though you know me, I'm not into those unboxing videos and stuff like that, and I don't like the word excited. But definitely, let me show you what I mean. These are basically the supplements that I use. I take vitamins, minerals, different special pills that I need, and I deliberately turn them away from you so that you don't see the brand. I don't care about the brands because, praise God, there are many good brands on the market. But when I found out that I can have better formulas, for example, this is my aloe vera gel that is full of vitamins and minerals that I need. Then I have this one that is my liquid minerals, incredibly good formula. And then I have my vitamins that I can use. So basically, these three bottles can substitute all the others that you see. And that's why I'm really delighted, because I would be happier to have 2 spoonfuls of juices and then 1 pill rather than all of these and have to remember which one I took and when I need to take the next one. So I will definitely keep you posted, because for me it's important to find a good e-shop where I can order my products. Of course, I have others in the box because usually you need some special products for special needs. For example, I have this one that is my special enzymes, and I ordered them for my son because he needs to keep a good eye on his stomach. He doesn't eat very well, and that's why he needs some support. So I'm going to start using the products today, and quite soon you will hear about my results, because when you find good supplements, the results come quickly. It's not that I have some serious condition, because I don't. But generally, you feel the levels of energy. You feel the way you wake up in the morning. You feel that you are more focused and concentrated so that you can do a lot more during the day. And this is what I expect to do. So I'll keep you posted. Now let me go and take my first dose of my supplements. Bye for now and see you.